lot of the law that you do when you're actually practicing it is very different from the kind of core, or you can't neatly fit it into the core subjects that you do, you know, property, contract, you know, delict, whatever. You know, you can't fit it neatly into those boxes. But it is those sort of core skills that you've learned through your degree. You feel prepared to sort of go out into the world and think, right, okay, now I'm going to a job. And I think the Dundee University were very good at conveying that. It wasn't just about, okay, you know, ticking all the boxes in terms of your analysis, but actually it's how you convey yourself, how you put yourself out there as a person. And those types of lessons are the things that are really going to help you get a traineeship, and then when you get a traineeship, to build those relationships within your business to allow you to then progress through the business. And I think Dundee University was very good at sort of making sure you understood the importance of that from a very young stage in your degree. What I really enjoyed about it was the way that actually you tended to have smaller tutorial groups, so actually you could really get that one-on-one time with the tutors and really engage both with your kind of your fellow group and also your tutors, which I really liked. What I also liked was that they would often get sort of people coming from, you know, practice in, so you would be speaking to real lawyers. It's the sort of practical side of things that really I enjoyed. A lot of your job, I think, when you get out there is actually managing people, and actually it's those soft skills that having these small sort of tutor groups, building those relationships, knowing how to work as a team, and actually then hearing people from the outside coming in a smaller group, you say, okay, I think this. And you know, you might be wrong, but then you have a discussion about why you're wrong, and it allows you to air your views, which again, as a trainee when you go in, being confident to sort of air your views, I think is something that's very important. Dundee really was good at that, showing the practical side, showing the sort of, you know, what being a lawyer is really like.